Hi everyone, Jai Hind, Jai Bharat, Jai Mata Di, and my complete series on different shipping company starts. First with Anglo Eastern को किस कंपनी के साथ मैंने सेल किया है and let's just start. देखते हैं कि Anglo Eastern की जर्नी कैसी रही है. Let's just start. So guys, Anglo Eastern headquartered in Hong Kong, 50 years of service. They have 29 offices across the world, 32,000 seafarers with 2,100 shore employees, managing a fleet of 700 plus vessels currently in operation. So what did we get? A very old company, lots of seafarers, lots of shore stops all across the world and lots of vessels. Let's move ahead. August 1974, Anglo Eastern is incorporated in Hong Kong. December 1994, they have got 50 ships under their management. What does management mean? Management means, guys, Anglo Eastern does not have its own ships. It does not own ships. So, say I am the ship owner, I have got my ships. Anglo Eastern comes and says, okay, why are you running your ships yourself? You give it to us. We will run your ships on our behalf. We will take care of your ship. We will take care of the crew. Everything will come. Your crew will keep changing, and we will also take care of the technical part of the ship, so that the ship is maintained in good condition. And you pay us money, or we will charge from others. So this is management. We will manage your ship. Copied? So anyways, in a simple terms, this is what you all need to know. In 2000, they established Anglo Eastern Maritime Training Center in Mumbai, where they started training their own ship staff as well. We have got 4th engineers. We want them to know about purifiers. So what? They established the training centers and said, okay, our 4th engineers will be trained in Mumbai in our training centers. They've got a big workshop, generators, purifiers, compressors, freshwater generators. Guys, in 2010, I remember when I was not with Anglo Eastern, I was with Searland. That time, Searland sent me to Anglo Eastern Training Center to get training on purifiers and compressors. So it is that. So that is what is Anglo Eastern Maritime Training Center. 2006 July, they have 200 ships under their control with MT Rainbow Quest joining it. So in 20 years, they had 50 ships. In next 12 years, they had 200 ships. That is 150 ships more came into their life. Then in August 2009, they started Anglo Eastern Maritime Academy. They said, okay, we are training our 4th engineers, but we want our own 4th engineers. So they said, okay, we'll start our own college. We'll produce our own engineers, our own officers. Another great business model to have. So today they have their own college, good fees, they earn revenue out here. They have got their own training center for their own employees, but also for outsiders as well. They earn revenue out here, and also from the management shipping company as well. So this is Anglo Eastern. Let's move ahead. In 2015, Anglo Eastern merges with Hong Kong based Univan Ship Management, resulting in combined fleet of over 600 ships under management. And in 2020, Hong Kong head office relocates across the harbour in Kowloon Bay. Not needed. I have been not to this place but the earlier place. Huge offices they have got. So today they have got a huge company, and today it is called Anglo Eastern Univan Group. आगे बढ़ते हैं. So Univan was another company, Anglo Eastern was another company. They both merged together, and together they become Anglo Eastern Univan Group with more than 700 ships today. So who is the chairman? Peter Kremers. So educational background is he did his marine engineering and naval architecture at Ghent University, which is in Belgium. He began at a Belgian shipyard heading the engineering department. So started a shipyard, guys. Moved to UBEM, a ship management group in Antwerp as a technical director. Then from a shipyard heading the marine engineering department, he joined ship management company, and there he became a technical director. मतलब technical director, chief engineer के ऊपर on land is technical manager, technical superintendent, then fleet manager, then comes technical director. So he was doing great out there. So he joined Anglo Eastern in 1985. Over 30 years with company, progressing from MD to CEO. He rose over the ranks and then he became a CEO. Currently serves as the executive chairman of the board of Anglo Eastern Univan Group, and he is the CEO. CEO is Bjorn Haggard, with whom I have already made a video. You can get the link in the pinned comment section. You can watch his video, CEO of Anglo Eastern, talking about his life, his journey. Let's move ahead. So presently Anglo Eastern has got 290 plus bulk carriers, 15 plus passenger ships, 70 plus container ships, and 22 ro-ro vessels which are car carriers. Okay, आगे बढ़ते हैं. They have got 59 gas carriers, 234 oil or chemical tankers. They have got 122 dual fuel vessels. These are the latest technology, dual fuel vessels. They run on fuel as well as gas. So this is the fleet that they have got. Anglo Eastern has got its offices in Manila, that is Philippines, Singapore, Mumbai, Casablanca, Rome, Luxembourg, Dublin, London, Monaco, Genoa, Darien, Vancouver, Santiago, Chile. पूरी दुनिया में है guys. Let's move ahead. Anglo Eastern Maritime Academy is located in Karjat, Maharashtra. Training for navigating officer, engineering officers, electrotechnical officers. So again, one of the best colleges. Campus placement is great. Fees is on the higher side, but they are doing an amazing job as of now. Let's move ahead. So guys, they have got their Anglo Eastern Maritime Training Center, जहाँ पर in 2010 I did myself training out there. उसके बाद Anglo has sent me a lot of times out there to train on ME engines, automation, all those stuffs, PID controllers. It is located in Mumbai and in Delhi. Institute has all requisite DGS approvals to conduct various competency and modular courses. Not just those value-added courses, but even MEO class 4, class 2, class 1 preparatory classes, modular courses like STW, ये सब भी यहाँ पर कराते हैं. So today this is what is Anglo Eastern Maritime Training Center, Anglo Eastern Maritime Academy, and Anglo Eastern Company. So guys, I guess this is all from my end. If you like the video, please like, share with your friends. This is my Insta ID where you can follow me, Chief Engineer Praneeth. If you have got any query, please WhatsApp your query on this number or in the comment section. My team at Merchant Navy Decoded is going to reply. Or you can share your query at teammerchantdecoded@gmail.com or support@merchantnavydecoded.com. With this, all I can say is Jai Hind, Jai Bharat, Jai Mata Di. For any queries or any such data, it can change. You can always see the updated thing in the description box or in the pinned comment section where you can go. With this, take care. Bye.